EIR calculator. That would be a single phase Ohm's Law uh, calculator. E would be voltage or electromotive force. I would be intensity or amperage. And the R would be resistance or ohms. So using those three terms, we can identify one over the other. If I know two of the variables, I can find out the third. So voltage divided by amperage gives me resistance or ohms. Voltage divided by resistance or ohms will give me amperage, and amperage times ohms gives me voltage. So we can throw that any of those two into the calculator. Rick, where would I ever use that? Well, maybe you have a heat strip that's in your truck, and you're not sure exactly whether it's a 3.5 or a 5 kW heat strip. You know that if you had a 5 kW heat strip, that you'd be drawing about 21 amps. That's fairly standard. You can identify that through the Ohms Law formula calculator that we have on our site as well. So let's take that one item that you found. You had this heat strip. It's laying in your truck. You're not sure if it's a 3.5 or a 5. You take the ohm reading, and let's say that you have 11 ohms on that heat strip. You know, if it's a heat strip in residential, chances are it's going to be a 240 volt heat strip. You plug that in, you click calculate, and you'll see that at 240 volts with 11 ohms, you're going to be drawing that 21.82 amps. And if you had any experience in the field in the past, you know that a 5 kW is going to be pulling right around 21 amps. So this may be helpful in that application. Hope so. Hope it helps.